Hello.
Hi! Pwede pong bumili ng fish block?
For you.
Oh my God. What is fish block?
Fish block, courting square na fish balls. Medyo in-elevate natin yung flavor by adding the flavors from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. The first one is Luzon. Kapampangan ako. Kaya medyo bias at yun ang aking nirepresenta from Luzon. So that's oyster sisig with calamansi caviar.
Ayan, magkakaroon tayo ng taste test.
I hope ma-enjoy mo.
Ano to? Fish block premium.
Wow!
Kasi like,
Ball premium.
fishball premium siya kasi syempre as someone na very familiar talaga sa taste ng street foods, di ba? Can you walk us through sa thought process mo nung naisip mo yung fish block?
Well, they presented to me the idea of na sana mas maraming makaintinding Pilipino sa blockchain technology. Parang katulad ng kuryente, kung hindi siya magagamit, hindi talaga siya maiintindihan. So I guess blockchain technology is something very, very useful. It actually, the trust is really transparency and honesty. If we could actually bring that technology to every ecosystem of private and, government and the entire country, we will definitely have a much more truthful ecosystem. Actually, if you purchase the fish blocks using crypto, you'd get an NFT with it. So that's
Is it a picture?
That's the integration.
Picture ng fish block or
Fishball, parang dalawa yata yung dalawang klase. Picture ng fish blocks at saka picture ko yata. I haven't actually seen it. They're still fixing it. Yung sunod naman, pangalawa, I'm representing the flavors of Visayas. Humba. But I used our cochinillo to make that humba experience with pineapple caviar.
Tikman natin kung masarap.
Masarap yan. And then the last one, yung Mindanao naman, that's duck pastil with coconut caviar.
Ang sarap.
Sana mas madami pang tayong magawa na tools or products using blockchain technology, so a lot of people would be able to enjoy the promise of this technology. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ara, ara.